proper risk management, the right discipline, and the right psychology are part of the ingredients you need to a successful trading career. This is FX Mesh Smashing It. What is going on, guys? You are welcome back to my channel, to my subscribers, and also for those that are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. This channel is based on a chart analysis, price action. I actually carry out price action based on a top-down analysis, where my methodology is simply based on break and retest. That is, identify on a higher time frame a very strong level that has been rejected and tested multiple times. I mark that level. I wait for price to break past that level, whether up or down, doesn't matter. It breaks past that level, comes back to retest that level, and give me a candlestick in the direction of the trend to tell me if it's continuing or is rejecting. That is what my methodology is based on. Today I will be explaining to you a few pairs: GBPUSD, Euro USD, and maybe other few pairs that also describes my methodology, simple break and retest. I want to say that Forex is a business where you are looking for opportunities. You are looking for the best possible circumstances where you want to enter and you want the market to play in your favor. Now, get this thing right. There are no strategies that are 100% that will give you 100% profit, but there are strategies that you can employ that works for you. So what happens is, Forex is about you. It's about your development, your personal development. It's about what you have used, your pain, your losses, your experience, what you have gathered all over time to now put together to work in your favor. You want to sell at the most costly price, and you want to buy at the most cheap price. If you go to the market, or you go to the marketplace, and you want to buy a goods, want to purchase a goods, you're not going to be purchasing that goods. If you see the good that you want to buy, you are not going to be purchasing that goods at the most costly price. You're going to be purchasing that goods on the cheapest price with the best quality. You want to go for the best quality and the cheapest price. And also, if you are selling, you want to sell at the highest price. That's what it's all about, and that's what we do. So there are points at which you enter after your strategy has set up. You want to sell from the highest price down to the lowest price, and you want to buy from the cheapest price up. So that's what it's all about, and I'll be showing you some of the pairs I'm using to explain my strategy. Let's go to the chart now to see how this plays out. It's a pair that I've already marked out. This is GBPUSD. GBPUSD is still on a sell trend. As you can see, this is a 4 hours time frame. If I put on a daily time frame, you can see clearly it pushed to the downside. This is the trend downwards. Okay, now I'll remove that one. I'll step to a 4 hours time frame. I can still see what I am about to explain to you. Now I'm going to remove this black thing. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to remove this one as well. I'm going to remove this one as well. I'm going to explain my methodology in a very simple manner. Now my methodology is this: if this is a level, right? I want the market, for example, for a sell, I want the market the price action to break past the level and come back somehow to retest it. You can retest it with a wick or a full candlestick body and pull back and start giving candlesticks in the direction of this trend. That is what my methodology is based on, and That is what I'm explaining here. You can see on the 4 hours, meaning that every candlestick here is 4 hours. All the candlesticks you can see here is 4 hours time frame. Okay, now clearly identified or established the fact that the market was pushing to the downside, right? I waited patiently and the market bounced. No, so it has come here, but it bounced. So my strategy is not working yet. I was waiting for the price to break past this level. In fact, let me remove this one so I don't confuse. Okay, so the price, so I wait for the price to break past the level. It came here, it rebounced, it tried again, it finally broke that level, this level, right? And created what, a structure here. Then it came up here again. You see, it has broken this level. What do? Wait for it to come and retest the level. It came back to retest the level. And what do you see? Candlestick to the downside. I could have entered here if I like, but I didn't enter here. So I was busy doing other things. I was on other pairs as well. Then I saw the price came back again on the same area, and I was like, okay, what I'm going to do is I want the market to push to the downside. And you know what, guys, this is a good point to enter. This is a good point to enter. Sell. But I have not entered this pair. What I want to do is I want more clear confirmation, because this thing can, this price can still push upwards and retest and push and start pushing to the upside. So what I want to do is to confirm, first of all, my bias is a sell, because you can see that my strategy has already been, is valid. So breaking point, retest. I could have entered here, I missed it. See, sell, I missed it. Then the market came up again to retest again. Now I can adjust this area level because there's a lot of things happening around here. This is the break point, this is the retest point. Sell, came back again to retest again, so you can see double retest. So I'll be looking out for a sell opportunity here. But because I'm a careful trader, what I want to do is to see how price plays out when market starts this week. Simple break and retest. This is the break point. This is my break point. This is my break. This is my retest. See? This is my retest. And push the downside. But this is a double, and the market is also creating a double top. And once it creates a double top, you know that it's going to give you a good sign of selling opportunity. Okay, it's a double top, and I'm expecting market to push to the downside. But you have to wait to see what the market does. You have to wait for the market to see what the market does, and before you can enter that trade. So let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. Now, Euro USD has also shown a kind of break and retest, but in a very very rugged manner, and I'll explain. I'll just clean the whole thing. Now, clearly you can see that the trend is pushing to the downside on the 4 hours. I don't need to go to a higher time frame already, because I already see the trend. But if I go to the higher time frame, it's still the same sell. See, sell trend. See it, higher time frame, 4 hours. Okay, so the market is on a what, sell trend. So my bias has been established, so I'm looking out for sell only. Now if you check clearly, you see that we have lower highs forming, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low. You see? So you see how the market is creating lower highs and lower lows. So what we want to do is break, retest, see, a retest, break, retest, see, testing this level. So now look at the market. Let's start from here. There's a structure here, it pulls down, creates a structure here. See, oh, sorry, there's a structure here. You see, come see here, bounce, came up here, it broke. See, it broke past this level, and I describe a level as a point where market has rejected and retested multiple times. Okay, look at it. If you look at it carefully, you can never draw this one. See, it's a level rejected on the past, rejected here. You draw it further. Okay, you bring it further, rejected again multiple times. What happens? The market breaks, rejected the level, break past it, comes back to retest it. See this candlestick here? From here you can sell. You sell to this point. Okay, this is structure here. Came back, retest, push, break past it again, came back again. If you look clearly, you will see that this point, this line, see, it's almost around the area, almost around the region. Okay, so you can came back, retest the area, because we're talking about regions here. Regions, the whole of this area. Oh, the whole of this area is a region, so you can call it a structure. So break, retest, came down. Okay, it's kept breaking and retest, breaking and retest, breaking and retest. Broke, false breakout here, came up, first breakout, pulled down. See, look at the structure here, rejection, 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 retest. So break, retest, push to the downside. Okay, here, bounce, retest, push, reacted here, first breakout, push to the downside, retest again. So the same thing. That is how this Euro USD has built this trend all through to the downside. And now looking forward to the next coming week, what do we expect? Look at the structure here. Identify a structure. Just draw a line to establish the structure. Wait for price to come down, to break here clearly, come here and retest, and give you a candlestick in direction of the trend, and you start selling. That is what my methodology is based on. So I'm not going to go into USD analysis. I don't want to make this video long. This is FX Mesh, smashing it. If you like what I'm about, please like, subscribe, and share. Always remember to trust the process. Be disciplined. Always stay within your trading plan and your strategy. Peace out.